Want to save the most money on SHEIN? Here are top tips to score the best deals. First, if you are a student, verify your status via UniDays, Student Bean, or Share ID to unlock up to 15 to 30% or even 65% off on a one-time code. These platforms are officially supported by SHEIN and give exclusive pricing on your checkout. Next, check SHEIN's homepage banners and coupon sites like Simply Codes or Groupon for valid daily promo codes offering 15 to 30% off or free shipping promotions when spending over $29 or $49. Next, you want to stack up points and discounts. You cannot stack multiple promo codes, but you can use one promo code plus SHEIN point, wallet balance, and automatic side deals like buy two get one free for maximum saving. You also want to use the SHEIN app daily to check in and complete reviews and collect points. Redeem them to reduce your next order total by a few extra dollars. It's free saving. You can also follow official SHEIN accounts on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. They often post flash sale codes and curated campaign hashtags that unlock discounts up to 50% in specific categories. And if you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.